Welcome to Epic Universe!
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All
even worse
that I
than
know is
Voldemort.
we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
This is giving Hogwarts. Hi, Bowser! Yan siya, guys. Ang sarap nito. Nabitad ko
Bodies
to.
move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter.
Good morning guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, it's Epic Universe Day. We're still staying at Marriott Grande Vista. Sasamahan kami ng cousin ko, si Ate Nikki. So we're a little bit bigger crowd today. Apat kami pupunta sa park today. So it's gonna be fun. But before that, mag-quick haul muna tayo ng mga pinamili namin sa Magic Kingdom at saka sa Epcot. So not a lot, pero share ko lang yung mga pinagbibili namin. As usual. So, first things first, itong cute na Starbucks bag. I think this is 29 ba? 39, mga ganon. 29 or $39. It's a very functional tote bag. Na-realize namin na alilate na mga bag namin. Pero pag nasa park naman, ang dami naming mga ang dami naming nilalagay sa bag. Yung Osmo pa lang at saka yung stick, medyo bulky na siya. So, I think this is what I'm gonna use pa din mamaya sa Epic Universe para maraming malagay. Pero this is very functional. Ang cute, it's a Starbucks bag na Disney theme. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Meron din siyang keychain na hindi namin ma-figure out kung para saan. Yung keychain niya nabubuksan ng ganyan. So, like, not sure kung anong purpose nun. Yan. Yan. Next one is Paul's purchase cap na Walt Disney World. Parang siyang baseball cap. $35 daw yan. Next, we got some baseball jerseys. Nabudol ako na bumili ng baseball jersey para pare-parehas kami. Bumili din si Ann. Ito yung kay Paul. Baseball jersey. This is $79, I think. 79. Marami siyang ganito. As you can see sa mga previous vlogs namin, Disney Cruise at saka sa California, may mga binili din siyang ganito na iba-ibang design. So, naging collection niya na yan. This is a Beauty and the Beast baseball jersey. Ayan, so sa ilalim makita niyo yung year ng movie, Beauty and the Beast, 1991. And sa likod, it's Belle. So, cute. Hindi ako boyish manamit. Pero, ang cute lang. Parang din. So, susuotin namin ito sa Disney Cruise. Para parehas kami nakaganito. So, ayan. This is also $79. 80. $79.99. So, $80 siya. What else did I got? I got these die-cut magnets, yung maninipis. Same sa California. So, for all the 4 parks, binili ko. Yan. And then we got some Starbucks mugs. So, this one is from Epcot. I'm not sure kung magkano to. 35? Ang isa?
39.
Yung mug?
Ay, 34.99.
Parang mahal naman. So, yun. $34.99 daw yung mug.
Kasi yung maliit is 25.
And, di ba $19.99 lang to? Ano ba? Starbucks. $24.99 lang. Tama mo, mali ko. $25 lang yung mug, guys. Kimaniwala kay Paul. Yun yung Epcot. Ito yung Magic Kingdom. Alam mo yung Magic Kingdom, hindi kami sure kung meron na kami nito. Kung bumili kami last year. Pero, bumili na rin ako ng ESA just in case. And if ever man na madoble, bibigay ko na lang. Mamimigay ko na lang. There's that. And then we also bought the smaller one ng Epcot para kay Kit. Also got these Ito minili ni Paul para sa sarili niya. Polo shirt na Disney. Ang cute! Na Magical Day Ever. So, ayan. Hindi siya niyan. Magkano to? This one is $75. Couple of things that we bought. This holder ng Mickey ears na nakasabit sa bag. Para pagka hindi namin sinusuot, nakasabit lang siya. Walang po nakalimutan ko na kung magkano ito eh. $15 ata to. And then, we also got this cute small backpack na ginamit na namin sa parehong araw last 2 days. So, it's a really cute total. Magkano itong backpack? Hindi ko na matandaan kung magkano to eh. Kung ma-figure out ko, ilalagay ko lang sa ilalim. So, ayan. Ayun yung cute na Disney World backpack. Ang cute niya, ang kulay. Ang saya niyang gamitin. And then, the last one that we got is, syempre, walang kamatayang blanket. So, this is $45. Ito yung design niya. Disney World na throw blanket. Ayan, ayun yung design niya. Ang cute. So, ayan, Walt Disney World. So, ayan, another blanket for my collection. So, ayun. Ayun lang. Sige, isama natin daw to. Nakita nyo naman to kahapon. Sinuot namin kasi lakas ng ulan sa Epcot. Pero, ito yung dito, poncho na very useful siya. Gamit namin to kagabi kasi lakas ng ulan kagabi. This is $13. Binili namin. So, ayan. At least, meron na kaming poncho just in case next mga theme park. Kasi very manipis, maliit lang siya. So, hindi siya hassle dalhin. So, dadali namin siya every time. And, a couple of few things is Disney pins. Bumila ko ng Disney World, na Disney pin na yan, at saka isang Magic Kingdom. Hindi ako bumili ng Epcot, di ko masyadong bet yung design na, pero nagko-collect na ako ng Disney pins ngayon, pero yung mga Disney pins na binibili ko is basically for mga remembrance. I'm not in it for trading. I wanna buy Disney pins specifically for collection. Kasi yung mga classic pins yung binibili ko. Ayun lang. So, ayan. Yun yung haul ko for today. So, again, magpe-prep lang kami. Kain lang kami breakfast. And then, we're headed to Epic Universe in a little bit. See you guys later. Bye! Epic Universe! Hi guys! Nag-CVR lang sila, pero dito kami sa parking lot. Papasok na ng Epic Universe. How tall are you? You must be as tall as the red line. Summer shop. Ito yung mga magnets nila dito. I don't think we're gonna... Ay, hindi pala. Pin pala to. $17. I don't think I'm gonna buy. Kasi ang dami na namin nabili last May nung nagpunta kami dito. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung merch. May ornament sila. Oh, they have Harry Potter ornament. Uy, pang Pasko! Christmas theme! Gusto ko mag-start ng mga ornaments, pero kasi...
Christmas at Hogwarts.
Yeah, Christmas at Hogwarts.
Oh, yung
Christmas na Harry Potter mug. Laki.
Ang ganda. Parang sopas ang gusto mo ilagay.
Oo. Parang pang pang sabaw. Wearable pygmy puff. Bakit wearable? How will you wear that?
Ayan. So, notice nyo, yung mga Harry Potter merch nila is more Fantastic Beasts. Kasi yun yung... Kasi nga 1920s Harry Potter yung meron sila. Ay, yung ano, yung theme ng Epic Universe. Dark Universe. Ayan yung mga sila. Frankenstein, Dracula. May ornament na ano, Halloween, parang weird. Cute na itong t-shirt, oh. Magkano to? $40 to, guys. Mga phone cases. Ayan, may urong ba to? Oh, may mystery pin set na uso na rin dito. Akala ko sa Disney lang yan. I love that. Magkano ganyan? Princess. We have a bunch of keychains over here. Si Mario, si Luigi. $16 ang keychains. So, ito yung mga novelty headbands nila. So, Nintendo headbands. So, si Luigi. Ito yung bet ko. Bibili man ako ito. Ito yung mga actual Epic Universe stuff. We already, meron ako nito. Bumili kami nito. Na, alam mo naman, kumot. Basta kumot. Meron sila ng hoodie. Ito, parang spirit jersey din. Tumbler. Yun lang. Wala akong mabibili. Ito mamaya babalikan namin pag pauwi na kami for kit. Kasi yan ang bili niya sa weekend. Okay. So this is, we're going into How to Train Your Dragon. Do you wanna take a photo? We're now here at the Isle of Berk. Yeah.
Moving Ferris wheels.
Na-amaze talaga ako like how good they are in like building worlds. So, parang ang fun.
They spend a lot of time. Like,
Parang ang wow. Look at this. Wow, miles away. Look at this. Ah! Ooh. Choose your dragon egg, $30. Plus siya. Looks like this. Si Toothless lang kilala ko eh. Ano ba yung iba? Merong Light Fury, Stormfly, Meatlug, and Cloud Jumper. Ay, ang cute oh. Hooded blanket siya, guys. Meron din silang Loungefly oh. Swerte ng Loungefly. They got Disney and Universal's business. Ay, look at this. Look at this. This is so cute. Parang pag sinuot mo, nakakabit na silang tatlo. Cute. There's backpack over here. More bags. They have keychains. Magkano yung keychain? Walang presyo eh. Walang presyo. Pero ayun siya si Toothless. Cute!
Domain Vikings, welcome to the hatchery.
We're catching the Unchainable Dragon show. It's really nice. I don't know, hindi ako makarelate sa movie pero nag-enjoy ako. Okay, we're inside the theater. We're about to watch the Unchainable Dragon show. Ate, you say hi. Hi, this is my sister. Ay, my cousin, Ate Nikki. Oh, ayan. Hello. Hi kayo. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi. Okay, we're waiting for the show to start. I'll catch you guys later.
Hi guys, so we just finished watching The Untrainable Dragon dito sa Isle of Berk.
Apparently, it's trainable.
Yeah. It's not, it's a lie, it's trainable. Yung first time namin pinanood yan, bawal ang videos, bawal ang photos. Mukha kasi ang dami na nagbi-video eh. Maganda yung show na yun. We enjoyed it, we had fun. Kaya, right now we're off to Harry Potter. Ayan sila, we're walking towards Harry Potter. Yun yung una naming ride na gagawin. So, we'll see you there.
Time check, it's 12:30. This is Stardust Racers. Closed sila today, guys. Will not be open today. Hey, ayan na si Harry Potter. Ito niyo yung hawak niya. That's the Elder Wand. For in dreams, we enter a world that is entirely our own. Okay, let's get in. We're entering the portal, guys. We're headed to the Battle of the Ministry, right? It's a 1-hour wait. So it's shorter than usual. Kanina, nung dumating kami, 80 minutes eh. So ngayon, umiksi na siya. The first time we were here was in May. 3-hour wait siya. Si Dolores, yung mukhang nakakainis. He's the most hated villain. She's even worse than Voldemort. Can't believe we're back here. Walang single rider lane. It's closed today. So okay na din kasi yung single rider lane, shortcut siya, which means we don't get to see yung mga, kasi pag pumila ka ng normal, yung mga madadaanan kang mga tawag dito, areas na theme, na Harry Potter theme. So pag nag single rider lane ka, hindi mo siya makikita. So okay na din. And it's an hour wait. Na pumila kami for much worse before. So this is nothing. Wanted, Electo Carol. So, Carol is one of the Death Eaters. Parang LTO lang, guys. Yan, office, mga government offices. Sana nilagyan nila ng tao na gumagalaw. Alam mo yun? Yung parang nagsusulat, gano'n. Yung parang office talaga. Tingnan nyo, guys. It's Elizabethos. May staff nila na obliviator yung job. Ang kulit eh. And then there's Walden McNair, convicted murderer, executioner, known Death Eater. Public notice, be vigilant. If you try, we will find you. Witches or wizards must present themselves for security purposes inside the ministry. Charms have been placed to counteract any potions of this type. Parang hindi naman niya nalilinis. Kaya na pa siya naglilinis. Madumi pa din. Locker ng Ministry of Magic dito. It's like a gym locker na ano. May mga initials, so LZ, CW. Na-open kaya to? They're locked. May mga ano talaga, may iniiwan na ano dyan, baon. 45 minutes na kami, or 45 to 50 minutes na kami nakapila. So, malapit na kami, guys. We're almost there. You can feel it. Ang galing nito. Parang newspaper, tapos ano. Galing! Hindi siya si Dobby. Hindi pa buhay si Dobby nito. Ay, hindi. Buhay na siya nito. Pero iba siya.
Si Bobby to si Bobby.
Si Bobby.
Will be attending the trial today.
Ay! May nilinis dito.
Is a friend to all animals. She fights for freedom and for elves to be receiving names. Yes, she does.
Oh, may mga cats.
Oh, not that all house elves are wanted. Yes, no.
Ang cute ng cats.
Those elves are
Cute ng mga pusa. Kakatapos lang ng ride. Super saya. Nandito na kami sa merch ng Battle of the Ministry. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito bago to. Wala to the last time we were here. Magnet. $17. We have big hoodies over here. Okay. Silang card holder. Malaman, $30 para dito. Pin. Notebooks. T-shirts. Ito yung binili namin. We have this before. Bumili kami ng ganito dati. It's $25. May tumbler din sila. Ang cute! And meron silang bag. Keychains. Wallet. Ay, ang cute nito. Ang cute ng headband. Cap. Bumili din ako nito. Yung ballpen. Hindi ko nilalabas. Yan. Bumili ako niyan. Kaso mabigat to, guys, eh. Mabigat siya. Ay, ano to? Ay, ikaw! $27. Quintas. Ay, ano? Bracelet. And then, sling bag. Metro Flu na ano sila. Ito yung mga 1920s na ano. Ito yung bago nilang hoodie. Yung lumang Ravenclaw yung meron kami. Wala masyadong mga bago. Yun pa din. Ayan. May mga tags. Ravenclaw ID, luggage tag ata to. Kain na kami. It's a French, kami sa kakain sa French restaurant. Oh, nice! Hi, nakatapos lang namin mag-lunch, guys. Ito pa rin kami sa Harry Potter World. Hindi na kami manonood ng show. Hindi na rin sila masyadong But yung show is, parang siyang circus. Parang siyang Greatest Showman. Theatrical presentation. Hindi na namin pumuntahan yan kasi gahabol din kami ng oras. And we still have 2 portals to go. Wala na rin ako mabiling merch kasi parehas lang wala nang bago. So, yun lang. Okay, we're entering the dark universe. Ito na yung mga Dracula, Frankenstein. Darkmoor. Pati yung resto nila dito, we had lunch here. Ang creepy nung ano nila. Like yung, pati yung server, like they're like dressed. Oo. This is giving Hogwarts.
Yeah.
Grabe lang, di ba? Like yung building na yan. Like parang like that.
Nice though.
The attention to detail, it's amazing.
Together, we will finish what my great-grandfather started. See, there's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing, better than the original.
Hi guys! Kakatapos lang ng Frankenstein ride. It was fun. I remember na masaya siya kaya nulit namin siya and it's only a 15-minute wait. Now we're headed to the Nintendo World. We're here! Super Nintendo World! I think this is the biggest Super Nintendo World out of all. Kasi yung sa Japan parang ina-extend pa lang right now. Pero ito yung pinakamalaki and we love it so much. Tatlo yung ride nila dito. Yung Bowser Challenge, yung kung ano man yan, Yoshi Adventure, and yung Donkey Kong. Hi Bowser! Hey, Bowser's Challenge. We're almost there. Ay, kakatapos lang ng ride ng Bowser's Challenge. Ang saya ulit. As usual. Hindi na kami ngayon sa merch shop. Wala namang mga bago. Pero browse through ko na lang para makita sa inyo kung anong mga meron dito. It's very similar sa pinakita ko sa inyo sa Universal Studios, California. So, pero pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly. Ayan, yung mga princess items. Bumila ko ng ganito na Mario. Dati. Last year. Dito din ata. Oo, dito din. Dito ko binili. Mario. Ito yung Luigi version niya. Eh, ganito kami na Mario. Binili namin sa Osaka. Ay, sa Japan. Ang cute kasi. May mugs. Plush toys. They have na Mario. Ay, puppet. Para nalalagay mo yung kamay mo sa ilalim. Kano to? 35. So, yung Toad. Blue na t-shirt. Novelty headwear, 42. May hoodie. Ang cute ng hoodie. Ang cute ng mga Nintendo na ano, no?
Okay, what was your score?
117.
What?
Ika.
80 something lang.
How much?
99. Wow! Yeah, 85 para ganon. Cute ng water bottle nila, oh. Mario Kart. Ay, ano to? Mini car, ano, pang display. Oh my God, this is so cute. Ay, ikaw, oh. Ang saya. Hey. Fashion jewelry. Keychains na Mario Kart. Ito yung meron si Paul. Ito yung meron siya. Ang cute ng hoodie na Super Mario. Parang bet ko. Ayan, yun yung meron kami. Ay, meron sila ng ganito. Ito wala nito dati. Meron na sila ngayon. And they have like the Mario Kart tote bag. Tingnan nyo yung tote bag. Ay, yung ano, backpack. May ano. Kulit eh. Kulit eh. Ang bigat.
Lumabas na sila.
Oo. Ninalis ko lang to. 65 to. Okay, wala kaming bibilin kasi wala namang bago. Nalabas na kami. Hey, let's go.
Yeah, she wanted to sit. no, she
Pila ng Mario,
literally the dog.
photo. Okay, we're headed to Donkey Kong Country. Check. Yan na. Donkey Kong Country. We have Yoshi's Snack Island over here. Ewan ko kung bukas na yung sa Japan na ganito. Donkey Kong! I'm gonna get the Dole Whip, guys. May Dole Whip dito. It's the same as the one in Disneyland, in Disney World. This mas specific Donkey Kong merch sila dito. Ayan o, Donkey Kong Country. Yan yung minecart man. Hello. Hi, just in a cup. Thank you. Hey, here we go. Banana. Yan siya, guys. Ang sarap nito. Nabitan ko to. We're done with Epic Universe. Pauwi na kami, guys. Ay, di ba pala kami uwi? We're headed to the outlet. Vineyard. What's the name of the outlet, ate? Premium outlet. So we're headed to the outlet for some shopping and a dinner, perhaps. Hi guys, it's now 9 o'clock and we're having dinner sa Lobster Restaurant. Lobster Feast ata yung title. So, dito naman kami kakain. Ang cute! Is it even working or pang display lang? This is what I got. I got a lobster. I don't even know how to... Kain tayo. Grabe si Uncle, dalawa agad eh.
Sa inyo ako sa labas eh.
Uwi na kami guys. Dito ko natatapusin yung vlog for today. It's been super fun, super saya, super busog. Naka-4 na lobster. Anyway, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog. Thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!